Have you ever felt like you're pushing against the world to get ahead, but the harder you push, the more it pushes back? It's exhausting, right? Most people think success is about forcing their will on their circumstances, outworking, out-hustling, and out-competing everyone else. But what if I told you that success doesn't come from controlling the world, but yourself? Today, we're diving deep into Wallace D. Wattles' idea of the further use of the will. I will share a step-by-step process to help you use your willpower to get rich without burning out. In this chapter, Wattles builds on the idea that willpower is meant for self-direction, not to manipulate circumstances or other people. He stresses that the proper use of the will involves focusing your thoughts, maintaining unwavering faith in your ability to achieve wealth, and continuing to take consistent action toward your goals. Key points. Use your willpower to focus on yourself and your vision. Do not try to control external circumstances or people. Stay centered on your goals. Maintain faith, even in the face of challenges or setbacks. Avoid distractions and doubts. Keep your mental energy aligned with your vision. Take daily, consistent actions toward wealth building, knowing that success is inevitable if you persist. The first key to using your will effectively is mastering your thoughts. This means training your mind to stay focused on what you want, your vision of wealth and success, rather than getting sidetracked by doubt, fear, or distractions. Start your day with intention. Each morning, take 5 to 10 minutes to visualize your financial goals and remind yourself of the steps you need to take to achieve them. This keeps your mind centered on success throughout the day. Monitor your thoughts. Throughout the day, be aware of where your thoughts are going. If you think negatively or get distracted by external circumstances, like financial news, setbacks, or others' opinions, immediately refocus your thoughts on your goals. Affirmations. Use positive affirmations to reinforce your mindset. For example, repeat to yourself, "I am on the path to wealth, I create opportunities, and I am in control of my success." This keeps your willpower directed inward, reinforcing your belief in your ability to succeed. Wattles warns against using willpower to control others or manipulate circumstances. Instead of forcing success through external means, focus on what you can control, your actions and mindset. This shift in perspective can be liberating, relieving you of the burden of trying to control everything around you and empowering you to focus on what truly matters. Stop micromanaging others. If you're leading a team, managing employees, or working with partners, resist the urge to control every detail or force others to act in a certain way. Trust that by focusing on your actions, the right people and circumstances will align to help you achieve your goals. Don't worry about the competition. Instead of being distracted by what others are doing, whether it's competitors in your industry or colleagues in your field, focus entirely on your own path. Comparing yourself to others leads to fear and doubt, which detracts from your ability to stay aligned with your vision. Flow with the process. Rather than fighting external circumstances, learn to flow with them. Obstacles are often disguised opportunities, and Wattles encourages you to trust the process. This trust can be reassuring, helping you to stay calm and less anxious when challenges arise. Wattles emphasizes the importance of faith in the wealth-building process. This doesn't mean blind belief, but rather a deep conviction that wealth will inevitably follow by aligning your thoughts and actions with the correct principles. Trust the process. There will be times when progress seems slow or obstacles seem insurmountable. In these moments, it's crucial to maintain faith in your ability to achieve wealth. This faith can be inspiring, motivating you to continue taking action while trusting that success is coming. Reinforce your faith daily. Use visualization techniques and affirmations to strengthen your belief. Imagine yourself already living in the wealth you desire. This will help keep you focused and motivated, even when external circumstances are challenging. Detach from the outcome. One of the hardest lessons is maintaining faith without getting attached to specific outcomes. Focus on the actions and mindset you can control, and trust that the results will come in time. Don't be discouraged if things don't happen exactly how or when you expect. Giving up too soon is one of people's biggest mistakes when pursuing wealth. Wattles stresses that consistent action is crucial, even when nothing is happening. Daily action is key. Take at least one daily action that moves you closer to your goals. This could be something minor, like making a phone call or researching a new business opportunity, or something big, like launching a new product or investing in an asset. The key is consistency. Stay the course during challenges. When setbacks occur, it's tempting to give up or change direction, but true success comes from persistence. Keep moving forward even when progress seems slow. Every small step adds up over time. Track your progress. Keeping a journal or log of your daily actions can help you stay on track. It also provides a visual reminder of how much you've accomplished, which can boost your confidence and motivation. Finally, using your will to build wealth requires letting go of doubt and distraction. It's easy to get caught up in what others think, worry about failure, or lose focus on your goals. Wattles teaches that letting go of these distractions is essential to maintaining a clear, focused mind. Minimize distractions. Identify the biggest distractions in your life, whether social media, TV, or negative influences, and take steps to minimize them. Set aside specific times for deep work on your goals, and avoid multitasking during these times. Surround yourself with positive influences. The people you spend time with significantly impact your mindset. Surround yourself with individuals who support your vision and encourage your growth. Avoid people who are negative or who discourage you from pursuing your dreams. Release self-doubt. Self-doubt is one of the biggest obstacles to success. Use your will to consciously eliminate doubt from your mind. Remind yourself of your vision and ability to achieve it whenever negative thoughts creep in. Some people have contrasting perspectives and argue that willpower alone is not enough to achieve success. There is a growing belief in the power of habits and systems over sheer willpower. This perspective suggests that building habits, like automatic savings, disciplined work routines, or scheduled learning, can reduce the need for constant willpower. Instead of pushing yourself with willpower daily, you set up systems that make success inevitable. While Wattles believes in the power of will, modern psychology offers an alternative perspective. Psychologists like James Clear, author of Atomic Habits, argue that systems trump willpower because they are sustainable in the long term. The key is to develop automatic behaviors that align with your goals so you don't constantly rely on willpower. The proper use of the will is not to fight the world or bend circumstances to your favor. It's about mastering your thoughts, maintaining faith, and taking consistent, purposeful action. By following these steps, directing your will inward, avoiding the temptation to control others, staying consistent, and letting go of doubt, you'll build wealth and do so in a way that feels effortless. Remember, success is less about grinding and more about aligning your actions with a clear, focused vision.